Workers and communities. That's what the investments in Budget 2023 to build Canada's clean economy are all about. We're building a Made in Canada plan for a Made in Canada future. Giving great jobs for the middle class right across the country, opportunities for businesses to grow and invest while we fight climate change every step of the way. These are things we've been doing for years, and we're stepping up continually with even more investments for a clean electricity grid to power our homes, to power our communities, to power the businesses that are going to be coming in to set up in Canada. We're moving forward to incentivize manufacturing in the clean tech economy so that Canadians can continue to get to work mining, processing, manufacturing, building, inventing, and selling the goods and resources that the entire world needs. People around the world are noticing. That's why companies like Michelin, Stellantis, ArcelorMittal, Volkswagen are all coming to invest in Canada to create great jobs to build that future. Conservative politicians have already said they'll oppose this budget. They oppose our plan for a brighter future. They're saying no to great middle-class jobs. They're saying no to making life more affordable. They're saying no to building a strong, clean economy that works for all Canadians. Well, we're saying yes. Yes to those great jobs in communities right across the country. Yes to economic opportunities to grow in a cleaner economy. Yes to fighting climate change and building a better future. That's the choice we're making. That's the optimism and the ambition we have. That's how we're going to build a better future for all Canadians.